How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is going to be mail call and stash ads. So I'm going to make a couple more videos, I think, today. I don't know when you'll be seeing them. I mean, they might go on. I won't put them on the same day, but I'll have another video for the van that George gave me, and then the RC Elf had, give me a big Tamiya RC sand scorcher, and I'll show you updates on them in next videos, I guess. But before we get this video going, I have to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it was not for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. I appreciate you. I love you. And we need to, like Fred Henry said, prayers in the community right now for Monty at the County Model Shop, and Brian at Got Fuels Model Car Garage. Watch Fred's video to know what's going on, guys. Just give prayers for them. And like I said, to all my subscribers, I do appreciate you. I appreciate you very much. And it don't cost you nothing, people. I mean, it's free. Just hit the bell, like. Always hit a like. Every time I watch a video of somebody's, I always hit the like. Like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do, but always hit the like. Even thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. That helps get our content out there. I'm not a channel that will ask you for anything. I'm not asking for money for anything like that, guys. It just helps get my content out there, and any of the other guys in the model community, it helps their content. So always do that, guys. Always remember. And if I always mention somebody in my video or something, I always will leave a link to their video, their channel, whatever, in the description below. If they got a channel, whatever, I will leave it in there. Alright, with that being said, let's get this thing started. Let's see what we're starting out with. We're going to start out with mail call. Alright. We all know Captain Nemo. Mr. Neiman Chambers, he sent me out his new shop card. And if y'all don't know Neiman, please get over there and subscribe to him. This guy, he is one, he's one of the heartbeats behind this community, guys. He's been here for a long time. He really deserves more subs than what he's got. If y'all get a chance, get over there, like, subscribe, help boost him up. I mean, this guy's been around for a long time, and he needs the subs, guys. Get over there and help him out. And he's got some awesome builds. He's always willing to help. Or, he sent me a model out of the blue one time. Vintage kit. Who does that? Who does that? And just wanted me to build it. Well, I built it. Thank you very much, Neiman. Y'all, get over there. And his link will be in the description below. Just subscribe to him, please. All right. And another guy. Well, this guy right here, everybody knows him. Everybody knows his drawings. Look at that. Model Cars with Glenn. What is that? That's old Plymouth with a dragon. Man, that art is just neat. That's just flat out neat. This dude, he can build the models, man. He's a gasser building some gun, but he can build more than just gassers. He's a dang good model builder. He don't believe in drive shafts, though. Don't know about that guy. He says he don't want them stolen, but I don't think I've ever had a model car stolen, but you never know. I don't know where his neighborhood is. Alright. Y'all please get over there and subscribe to him. He is funny. He'll get you to rolling. He is funny. He's got some good drawings, and he's a hell of a model builder. And speaking of this guy, he's part of my stash ads, because me and him, we did some trading. I'm a trader. I like to do some trading. I love vintage kits. And he had some barn finds, and he'd got a hold of, and He said, anybody want to do some trading? Contact him. Well, I contacted him. Said, hey, what kind of barn finds you got? And he sent me pictures and stuff, and we did some trading. So, let me show you what I got. And, you know, some of this don't have kits in it. Some of it's just the vintage box art. Y'all know I love my vintage boxes. And this is one of them. It's not got the kit, but, man, look at that beautiful box art right there. This kit, or this box, is from 1957. Revell, 1957. Ford Country Squire wagon. And now, it does have the figures still in the box, but, man, this box is in pretty good shape. 1957, guys. That thing is awesome. And another box he sent me. This right here, this Style Line kit. This was for the Corvair. Of course, there's no Corvair in that. Now, I think he's building the Corvair. He kept the Corvair for himself. But, awesome. Because I got, you know me, guys. I got a lot of model cars, and I need boxes for some of them. Yeah, you know, some people just throw boxes out. But when they're vintage boxes, I can't do that. Eventually, when I get my shop done, and I get to display all my models the way I want to display them, if I built it, it's going to be with the box. Let's see what's in this one. This one here. Let's see. A 59 Pontiac. 59 Pontiac. Of course, that's kind of a generic box, but it's an original box. As a matter of fact, I got a 59 Pontiac from this collection I bought that's out in the garage. I got all kinds of stuff. So I got the car for that box. That was another great one. And I'll tell you another great one too, because I do have the car for this box. The 1960 Ford Falcon. I do have the original screw bottom 1960 Ford Falcon. And to go into this box. Now, of course, I haven't put nothing in this box, but let's see what's in this box. Yes, I do believe it's got a vintage model car in it. Let's see what's in it. This is how Glenn sent it to me. Let's see what's in here. This here is a 1960 Ford Starliner convertible. Screw bottoms. I have the Ford Starliner, whatever, it's the Ford wagon, the 60 Ford wagon. I got a couple of them. I got the hardtops. I even already got a couple of wagons too, but I wanted another one. Heck, why not? I love these old Survivor kits, guys. You know, that paint will strip off real easy, you know. Rob, I know he wouldn't strip the paint off of it, but he'd display it. But sometimes, you know, I might display this. I don't know. I'll have to see. I got so many projects, I'll never get around to them probably, but realistically, but I'm going to try. But that's one of them. Let's see what else he got me. All right. This in here was a 58 Pontiac hardtop, and I do got a 58 Pontiac hardtop to go with this box. And the 58 Pontiac hardtop will be this one right here. And I actually got that model kit from the collection I got. Matter of fact, I think I got 2 or 3 of them. You guys are going to croak. 1960 Ford pickup. I got to search the interwebs for a hood for it. Unless anybody out there that's my subscriber happen to have a hood for this, or a resin hood, or know where I can get one, holler at me. But 1960, this was an SMP Ford pickup. Screw bottoms, engine's there, everything's there, but the dadgum hood. And this one right here would be a good one to strip down, paint yellow. My buddy JR gave me the idea. He said that would be good to have the Moon Eyes dragster behind this, because I think they had one of these, and I looked it up. They did have the old Ford pickup like that. So that'd be cool, pulling the Moon Eyes dragster. All right. And the creme de la creme that he gave me was the 1960 Chevrolet pickup. We did some trading. You can see the box. I have exactly 3 of these kits. 3 of them. Yes, 3 of them. No, 4 counting this one. 4 counting this one of this kit. And I plan on doing them different ways. And this one might have even been shown in this video. I can't remember, but has the original instructions, SMP, the original decals. Now, granted, the truck has been painted. That's the only thing painted is the truck. He put some tape on there and pulled it off, and the paint come right off. So that's going to be an easy strip. 1960. Now check this out. That's the only thing that's been painted. That's all I got to strip. Well, guys, that truck's never been built. The trailer, the chrome tree, the engine, all the parts are still in this. That's the original trailer for it. All the customizing parts, the tonneau cover, everything. The truck has not been built other than the body poorly painted. That was a heck of a deal right there. One heck of a deal. So, I got me another one to build. And I love those old SMP, AMT, Ford unibody trucks, Chevrolet trucks. But that's what I got from Glenn. Alright. Now, I've been getting, me and a buddy of mine, a lot of y'all know him. He don't have a YouTube channel. I've been trying to get him to get a YouTube channel. He says it just don't fit into his schedule right now, which we understand that. Sometimes, you know, life gets in the way and you're not able to do it right now. But Mr. Tony Lancer, me and him, we do a lot of trading back and forth. And I've gotten a lot of stuff from this guy. And I mean, I'm talking about awesome stuff. Now, a lot of, you know, it's old rebuilder stuff and stuff like that. But I'm going to tell you guys, the stuff that I've gotten from him is just unreal. I mean, you try to buy this stuff, mint or whatever, you know, poor boy like me can't buy it like that. I just get it and just strip it down, restore it, or whatever, and that's the only way that I can really afford some of these kits. And this one right here is one of them, guys. I don't know if y'all have ever looked up the AMT drag combo series, you know, kind of like the little Falcon altered wheelbase with the Galaxy in the trailer. You know, of course, they reissued that because they had everything for that. Well, this one right here, they do not have everything for. And now I don't get a box with this one, but I'm on now lookout for a box for it. But this is the 60, 65, 64 altered wheelbase Chevelle with trailer, and the 63 Chevy Impala that pulled it. And that is the Craftsman Series kit, which was in the kit. Guys, try to buy that kit. Try to buy that kit. It's just unreal. I got a box. I'm not going to pull them all out because it's unreal. I got a box full of these rebuilders, you know. Rat Packer. I got MPC Corvette. I got the Badman, the original Badman Chevrolet, 55 Chevy. I mean, there's so much stuff just in this box. And that's all that rebuilder stuff. I still got 2 more boxes coming from the guy that are that big of a box. And check this box out. I know, oh, there went one of them. All these beautiful, beautiful old kits. Look at this. Look at this, guys. 1971, 1972. That's the 70, what was that, 76, something like that, Pro Street Nova. 74 Vega Annual. I mean, just look at this right here. That is the Black Magic Funny Car, MPC. And I got more that I'm not even going to try to show. And in one of those boxes is the Red Alert Chevelle. So I want to thank Tony Lancer. Like I said, he's got more stuff coming. I probably ought to make a video on all that crap I get from him because it's a lot of stuff. And Tony, I thank you for the trade. Glenn, I thank you for the trade. Captain Nemo and Mr. Neiman Chambers, thank you for the new shop card. And that will end this video. And all them guys will be in the description, except for Tony because he don't have a channel. Let me see, where's my little clicker at? Y'all go check them out. Always leave a like. Always leave a comment. Thumbs up, thumbs down, guys. Subscription is free. It's never going to cost you nothing from me. I will never ask you to join any kind of Patreon, PayPal, anything like that. I just want you to enjoy the hobby. Get out there, build a model kit, build it for yourself. You know, that's what I do. You know, I mean, yeah, I do go to model shows here and there, but I don't really build show quality models. Yeah, I look around and win something every once in a while, but you know, that's dumb luck. These are small contests around here. You know, I can't hold a candle to Brian from Got Fuels Model Car Garage, Chris from CD Scale Models, Justin from J Hart Models, Mr. BG, Fred Henry. I mean, all these guys. I can't hold a candle to these guys. These guys are so good. But like I said, I just build for myself. All right, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm shutting up. Maybe.